morning, everyone. Can you please all stand? May I request Maquinto to please lead the prayer? Amen. So, how are you today, class? Oh, you're good. Also fine. It's good to hear that. But before you're going to take your seat, can you pick up the pieces of papers under your chair? Okay, so we can proceed. So, let's check your attendance first. This row, who is absent? Can you take a look at your left and right side? If your seatmates are there, okay, no one. How about this group? This row. Oh, okay, also no one is absent for today, and I'm glad that no one is absent for today. So, before we're going to start our formal discussion, I want you to observe our classroom rules. We have the first one is listen attentively. The second one is speak kindly and courteously. And the third one is value diverse perspective. In the first one, if someone is speaking, you must listen attentively. When you're going to speak, speak kindly and courteously with manners. And the third one is value everyone's perspectives, because everyone, your classmates, have different perspectives. So you must observe and do our classroom rules. So let's proceed. Let's have a recap first. Who can still remember our previous topic? Yes, Sunshine? Okay, prefix. So what is prefix, Remy? Okay, very good. It is a word comes before the root word. So, since you know what was our last topic, let's proceed to our next activity. So, let's proceed to our motivation with the title of Identify Me. The direction, please read. Solve each problem to get the hidden word. Each item has a hidden word to be solved. So I have a word here. You should crack the code, and I'm going to paste it on the board. So I already pasted crack the code, and I have a picture here, and you're going to put your answers here. So this will be the number 1, number 2, 3, 4, and 5. So let's check if you got the correct answer. So we have here a picture. So we should locate we should solve this problem to get the correct word or the answer. So 9 plus 9 equals 18. So 18 here is the letter R. 1 times 1. 1 times 1 equals 1. So 1 here is the letter A. So we have R and A already. And 5 times 2 plus 10. We have 20, which is the letter T. And we have the 3 plus 2 equals 5. So we created a word. The number 1 answer is rate. So let's proceed to our number 2. Our number 2 is we have 7 plus 10 equals 19. So 8 times 2 we have 16. Letter B. 10 minus 5, we have letter E equals 5. 2 plus 3 equals 5 also, which is letter E. And 1 times 3 is equals to letter C. And the last one is 4 times 2 is equals to letter H, which is 8. So the answer is speech. And the answer of number 3 is slow. Number 4 is moderate. And 5 is fast. So, who got the correct answer? Who got the perfect score? Oh, many of you got the correct score. So, thank you. So, let's proceed to our very good, everyone. Let's proceed to our guide question. I have a question here. What word comes to your mind when looking at the picture? So, yes, who wants to answer? Yes, honey. Okay, you observe a speech. Someone is speaking in front. Who wants? Oh, yes, for me. Okay, we have rate. Um, oh, Kenneth, fast. You observe a word fast because the guy over there and the picture not been shown is running very fast. So let's proceed to question number 2. Can you think of a situation where each picture might be used or relevant? Yes, Miss Alma. Oh, okay. It is relevant for a speech, a crowd speech, or a public speaking, as what you see. Okay, so let's proceed. Oh, before that, I have a question. Last question. What do you think our topic for today? Who wants to answer? Yes, Miss Irene. What? Oh, speech. So let's see. Thank you. Very good. So our topic for today is please read rate of speech. But before we're going to proceed to our discussion, I want you to read our objectives. Please read. And demonstrate speaking at a slow, fast, and moderate rate upon request. So this is our objectives. But before we're going to proceed to our discussion of what is rate of speech, let's proceed to our activity. This activity is a speech guess. Please read the direction. With your group mates, read and identify the following scenario and identify whether the rate of speech is being described as fast, slow, or moderate. Within 5 minutes. I'm going to group you into 2 groups. This will be the group 1 and this will be the group 2. Please do this work for 5 minutes. Oh, all of you are done. So let's check your answers if correct. Number 1. A news anchor is delivering breaking news with a sense of urgency, rapidly conveying key information within a limited time. So your answer is fast. Very good. The answer in number 1 is fast because the anchor is delivering a breaking news with a limited time. So let's proceed to our number 2. A teacher is carefully explaining a complex mathematical concept, pausing after each step to ensure the students to understand. So let's check what's your answer. So the answer of this number 2 is slow because the teacher is pausing so that the students can understand the mathematical step. So let's proceed to our number 3. Please read. 2 friends are having a casual conversation over coffee, exchanging ideas and stories at a comfortable, natural pace. When you're at a natural pace or an environment, what are your topics, your conversations, right? You and your friends are having a conversation moderately or normally. So the answer here is moderate. In number 3, the answer is moderate. So I think everyone got the correct answer. The group 1 and the group 2 is all perfect. So let's proceed to my guide question before we're going to proceed to our discussion. Is there a need for a listener to process information quickly or slowly? Yes, please answer me. What's your name again? Oh, Emalu. Okay, I'm sorry. So, Emalu, is there a need for the listener to process information quickly or slowly? What's your answer? Yes, okay, very good. It's a yes because we people we have different processing in mind. So some people can catch up quickly and some people can't. And they have a just like a slow processing with conversation. Some people cannot barely understand when you're speaking too quickly, and some people when you're speaking slowly gets irritated, right? So that's it's a yes. So let's proceed to our topic. So what is rate speech? Rate speech means how fast or slow a person can talk. And 2 is the varies depending on the emotion. It depends on the emotion of the people and how they're going to speak. When you're angry, you speak too fast. When you're sad, you speak slow. And when you're delivering something in a public place, you speak moderately. So, depending on the mood of the speaker has. So let's proceed to the rates of speeches. We have slow speech, moderate speech, and fast speech. So what is slow speech? It is less than 110 words per minute. Suitable for clarity, emphasis, but may lack of energy. When you speak slow, it gives clarity to the listener, right? And it has emphasis, but the emotion of this, maybe you're sad, lonely, and you don't have energy. That's why you speak slow. So let's proceed to the example. Examples of slow speech, we have technical explanation, because when you're going to explain something, you must speak slow so that the people can understand easily or the listener can understand easily. So we have the language learner or non-native speakers. So it is very usual in our country that we have different languages. So we people must speak fluently, clearly, and slow so that the non-native speakers can understand. Or not just even non-native but also the other people. So we should not speak too quickly. So let's proceed to the second one. Moderate speech or normal speech. This is our daily speech that we use. Sometimes we use fast or sometimes slow. Depends on our emotion. But this is 120 to 160 word per minute. Ideal of balanced communication, engaging our audience while conveying information. So speaking normal, it's very normal to speak like that. So let's proceed to the examples. Lectures or presentation. Just what we're having today. I am having a moderate speech because I am lecturing so that you class can understand me. A balanced pace keeps the audience engaged and informed. Let's proceed to the business meetings. Yes, usually business meetings are using moderate speech. And the second is the storytelling, because the kids are happy to listen when you are speaking normally or moderately. So, let's proceed to the last one parts of rates of speech. We have the fast speech, over 160 per minute. Can you convey enthusiasm but may compromise audience understanding? Speaking too quickly or using fast speech can can have a misunderstanding towards the listener or to the conversation. It can affect the conversation when you are speaking quickly. So let's proceed to the examples of splash speech. We have enthusiastic sales speeches, which is when you are going to sell something, you should show your excitement and energy, right? And we have the comedy or humor, quickly delivering a enhanced comedic or timing. You must give the timing so that the audience will engage to your topic or to your humor. So again, what is rate speech? Yes, Sophia. Okay, rate speech is it is how fast or slow or moderate a person talks. What are the three rates of speech? Yes, Elsa. Okay, we have fast, slow, and moderate. Thank you, very good. So since you all know what are the rates of speech, everyone can you give a clap to yourself? Rufa make love. It's like this. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Go, go, go. Okay, very good, class. So let's proceed to our next activity. Oh, next activity. Wait a minute. Please read the direction. The first group demonstrate the slow speech, while the second group is the one who is going to demonstrate the moderate speech, and the third one will demonstrate the fast speech. So I want you to divide yourselves group yourselves into 3. This will be the group 1, group 2, and group 3. And I will going to give the given scenarios is all about the importance of recycling. So this is the fast speech, the moderate speech, and the slow speech. So I'll give you 15 minutes, 5 minutes to each group to perform the rates of speeches. So before we're going to start the activity, I want you to listen for our rubrics. Criteria for judging, we have clarity, excellence, 5. Clarity, message is clear and concise. Good is mostly clear. Fair is somewhat unclear. Needs improvement is unclear. We have engagement, also 5. Good is 4. Fair is 3. And needs improvement is 1 or 2. So, again, what is rate speech? Yes. Okay. A rate speech is how a person or people talks. So, what are the 3 categories of rate speech? Yes, what's your name again? Emalu. We have fast, slow, and moderate. Thank you, very good. And last one is, what are some suitable contents for a slow, fast, moderate speech rate? Yes, Anna, can you answer this question? Okay, please answer this question. Okay, it depends on the situation, actually, right? It depends on the situation. When you're angry, you're going to speak fast. When you're sad, you're going to speak slow. And when you're doing a public speaking, you are speaking moderately. Very good. So you should keep this in mind. So let's proceed to our next activity. Please read the direction. Identify what is being asked on the following question. Write thumbs up if it's moderate or slow, and thumbs down if it's a fast speech. Write your answers in the space provided for 10 minutes. So this is the one. Number 1, we have you are telling instruction. Number 2, you are angry with someone. Number 3, you are giving advice to a friend. Number 4, you are excited to tell what happened to your friends. Number 5, you are requesting a school supplies from your parents. So done, everyone. Let's check your answer. We have number 1. We have you are telling instruction. So you should speak slow or moderately. So it's a thumbs up. Number 2, you are angry with someone. When you are angry with someone, you speak fast. So that's a thumbs down. Number 3, you are giving advice to a friend. So you are speaking moderately or slow. So it is a thumbs up. So number 4, you are excited to tell what happened to your friend. So you are very excited. And the answer is thumbs down because you are speaking fast. And lastly, number 5, you are requesting for school supplies from your parents. So you are speaking slow and moderately because you are requesting something. So let's proceed to the assignment. On a whole sheet of paper, choose a rate speech and make your own scenario. That will be passed by tomorrow. So that's all, everyone. Goodbye, class. Thank you.